Hi, welcome to the very first Russ and Reed Tiny House Project video. We are joining this project in progress because, well, we've had trouble finding a starting point. We had a lot of work documented, and then we had a computer hard drive crash and lost everything. Since then, it's been kind of a struggle finding exactly where to pick up the pieces and start over, but we have been working along the way. We are having to downsize our existence before we even get started on the actual conversion of this building into a tiny house. So the downsizing has a lot of side projects that have been going on, and it's been taking up our time. In fact, our house looks kind of like a hoarder's house because we have stuff that we forgot we even owned scattered all over the place. We're having to go through it, having to clean it, decide what to keep, what not to keep, and if we are going to keep it, where's it going to go? It's a giant slide puzzle. It is fun, but it's challenging. So we thought we'd just kind of start today right here in the middle of things and document some of that fun, challenging work of trying to get ready on this tiny house project. We will try to get a video up each and every week just showing what we've done that week. Some projects may be on the tiny house itself, some are going to be on side projects going on like today, and sometimes we'll actually try to go back and do a little recapping, showing you some of the things that we've already done, stuff we lost the valuable video on. So here's hoping it turns into an interesting and adventurous project as we try to take you along on the ride for the Russ and Reed Tiny House Project. Today the work continues in cleaning out our Conex storage building. We've gotten some stuff out of there already. There's plenty more though. We've been gathering things together and storing them in the Conex, things that we're going to use for the tiny house project, and stuff that we've been picking up along the way to try and incorporate into the tiny house. Well, trouble is, now that we've gone in there to clean it out, to find inventory of everything we have, we've discovered some of the items have been damaged in storage. So we have to decide what to do with that. We also have to take stock of what we do have left and how it can be used in the tiny house project. And you'll be seeing more of that in just a bit. A Monopoly house. You know, I'm amazed every time I open the door of this place how much we have gotten out of it. It probably looks to you like there's still a lot in here, and indeed there is, but it's nothing like it was.
Ooh, things are falling over here and scaring me. Okay. Why don't you get that big green thing out of your way and put it over here with the canopy it goes with? Yay, my strong man.
I'm Hulk.
Right there, it's fine. Yay. So that is one very big canopy with one very broken piece.
That didn't do my shoulders any good either.
I'm sorry. Those are awesome lamps that used to hang over my dining table in the other house. And now I want them taken inside out of the weather so that they can be redone.
Yeah.
So, okay.
We'll set these
Here,
up.
set them in there because that box is going in the house today.
Nice little those
Yeah,
inserts in them.
I know, aren't they pretty?
It's beautiful. These things are gorgeous when cleaned up and they light up.
Yeah. That is a 45 record holder
Exactly what it is.
that I want to say Jeff found for you. Oh my God, it's been sitting on the floor so the water's gotten to it.
Yeah.
Oh, what's in it? Stuff from the old house. Hang on, step this way a little bit, because I can't see.
Some bells.
Like I said, stuff
Stuff
from
from the old house.
What's in that picture frame? Oh, it's not a picture frame. It's
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is all the...
my light switches from the old house.
Yeah,
Look at how
there
corroded
they
they are.
are.
Oh my God.
And our doorbells. And a socket wrench and socket set.
Yeah. Yay. Okay.
Okay.
That goes in the tote to go in the house. Is that a machete?
Gotta be a machete, yeah. Machete scabbard.
Thank you, scabbard. I couldn't think of that word.
Okay, so got the scabbard, no machete.
Nick has the machete, I'm pretty sure.
Probably.
And if there's a machete to be had, Nick has it. And that is a classic
That's
from
a-
my childhood.
That's a collector piece there.
That came out of my grandmother's house after she passed away.
Fiberglass with neoprene wheels. And rubber grommet suspension on it. Yeah. I could seriously hurt myself on this. And I just might. I'm reminded of a story. Should I tell it now? When I was much, much younger and visiting cousins in Fort Smith, and we were skateboarding, and I wasn't very good at it. I never got very good at it. But we were going, Fort Smith is a lot of hills, so we topped a hill, started down a street on the other side, and there was a Volkswagen Beetle parked just a little bit over the crest of the hill. I wasn't paying attention. I saw the Beetle about 2 seconds before I hit it. So you have to get this mental image of me sprawled out, spread eagle on the back of a VW Beetle. And my skateboard has never been seen again. It just kept going down the hill. It's my cousin's skateboard, actually. He's pretty pissed that I lost his skateboard. Never mind the fact that I was sprawled on the back of a car. So, this is another Black & Decker case.
This is from our house, but that's mine.
Yeah. Didn't we look at this the other day?
We did.
Okay.
This was my dad's sheriff's badge, or deputy sheriff's badge. And somebody stole it from the old house while we were moving. So, yes, I thought this box had been taken inside.
It is now.
Because, look at this.
I know, safety razor. Two of them. God, look at that one.
Oh, wow.
That is a real...
That is awesome.
That is a real antique.
Okay. So, these are tools.
We have a rack full of tools. And I mean, drills, routers. There's an electric chainsaw here. And some of these are very old. Oh, that's a vintage model 597 Type 3 drill in a total metal case. You could drive a hammer, drive a nail with that thing. Tough, and it still runs. Soldering gun.
Are you sure it still runs? You haven't plugged it in.
Well, the last time I plugged it in, it ran. I don't know about now.
Point is, we've got to go through a bunch of stuff and take it apart and see if it works.
Yeah. Letter opener. Yes.
Or a coupon clipper, whichever one you want to call it.
Bunch of drills. It's a tote full of camping supplies.
Okay, so
So anyway, and we have various pieces of wood here that we've held on to that are in good shape.
Well, I'm going to cut back to video from last week, too.
Alright.
So, all right. In the meantime, we need to just pull some stuff out to go inside.
Mhm.
Because we
Because
don't
we're
really have
here,
anywhere.
we
Yeah,
always
we're
take
here. We
something-
need to take
we
it in.
take something inside always. So, yeah.
We can work on emptying those shelves right there.
Okay, we've just about got these shelves cleared off. If you will help me move this Viking tent, because I don't think I can carry it by myself.
Okay. Well, I just turned the camera on, so give me just a second. All right.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Well, what you're looking at is what we pulled out of the Conex today. I told you there was all kinds of stuff in there. All of these items join the hoarder collection that's already in our house. We'll go through this, decide what's to be kept, what's not, what needs cleaning, and what can be thrown away beyond that. And if you can see behind me, it's a little cleaner in the Conex. We even got 2 sets of shelves out that we may recycle into something else here. I think one of them's probably going to end up on the front porch. There's still plenty of stuff in there though, but it is coming on down. Next trip, maybe we'll get to those back shelves. Sunny day to clean them out. Got a nice pile of garbage up here in the front that needs to be hauled out too.
There's a lot.
It's a lot better. That's the most floor we've ever seen in years, probably since we first loaded this place.
I thought we were done for the day.
Well, you had me get the trash can. And once I got it over here, I gotta fill it. It's a compulsion. Thanks for watching the very first Russ and Reed Tiny House video. Please like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned.